In this video we will learn how to generate an advanced salary request in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the Payroll module on top navigation bar. So here you can see Advanced Salary Request form. Click on the Apply for Advanced Salary button to add a new request. Next, select an employee whose advanced salary requisition is to be generated. Enter title for the request. And then select the date. Enter the amount of advanced salary. Add a reason before submitting the request. Click on a Submit button to submit your request. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successful.